Across India's major tech hubs, thousands of skilled professionals are watching their monitors go dark. A wave of corporate layoffs has displaced an entire tier of the workforce, leaving engineers and developers with years of experience searching for a new direction. At the same moment, the rural landscape is facing its own collapse. Traditional farming has become an exercise in physical endurance, where severe labor shortages leave a shrinking number of farmers to carry heavy chemical tanks across parched, uneven ground. This is the result of a decades-long migration. India's youth have historically fled the difficulty of the fields for the promise of urban offices, leaving an aging generation to maintain the nation's food supply with dwindling resources. This creates a national paradox. If the cities lack sustainable jobs and the villages lack enough hands to work the soil, the entire economic backbone begins to weaken. To solve both crises at once, the high-value technical roles of the city must be moved directly into the struggling fields of the village. The first signs of this shift are the Meghdev Drone Stations. These modular hubs are built from repurposed shipping containers and powered by solar arrays, appearing as high-tech digital airports placed directly into the rural landscape. The operations inside are fully autonomous. When a drone returns from a mission, robotic arms swap out depleted batteries for fresh ones in seconds, allowing for continuous flight without human intervention. At the village level, this technology is accessible through house centers. These bright yellow and blue storefronts serve as the community's local command post, providing drone rentals, sales, pilot training, and repairs. The hardware executing these missions is the Vago drone. It's a high-capacity workhorse capable of lifting 70-liter payloads, designed to handle precision crop spraying, medical logistics, and industrial inspections across miles of difficult terrain. Simply putting a drone in a field isn't enough. It requires this localized physical infrastructure, the stations, the charging docks, and the repair bays, to make aerospace technology a daily utility for a rural community. While the drones are physical, the intelligence driving them is digital. The virtual farm network maps physical farmland and converts it into a holographic digital asset that can be monitored from anywhere. Using this isometric grid, the system creates a digital twin. The smallest unit, the pixel, lets AI analyze individual leaves for disease. The 1 centimeter cube monitors base plant health. Finally, the 1 square meter tile is the GPS-enabled unit for broad field planning and estimating harvest yields. This hierarchy allows anyone with the HAL app to manage a farm remotely. An urban professional can lease a virtual plot and receive real-time updates on their investment, while the physical work is handled by the automated network. This digital translation converts the high-stakes gamble of traditional farming into a predictable, data-driven science. As farming becomes a predictable technical profession, the direction of Indian talent is shifting. Many of the IT workers displaced from the cities are returning to their home villages to run these drone stations as rural entrepreneurs. This transition includes everyone. Through the HAL DD program, rural women are being upskilled from manual laborers into certified drone pilots, using VR headsets and simulation labs to master aerospace operations. To manage this at scale, the network uses a 4-tiered hierarchy. It connects individual village house centers to block-level command hubs, eventually feeding into massive district-wide drone stations. The objective is a national re-engineering of the agricultural backbone. The plan covers all 831 districts of India, deploying 200,000 precision drones to create a coordinated, data-driven grid. The flow of human capital has officially reversed. Instead of fleeing to crowded cities, the next generation of technical talent is finding its future in the soil. By removing the hazardous manual labor and replacing it with high-tech precision, farming is becoming a profitable badge of honor rather than a desperate obligation. The Meghdev Drone Station and HAL ecosystem convert isolated farms into high-yield digital assets. By anchoring aerospace technology in rural soil, this network is building the infrastructure for a fully realized digital Bharat.